Marshals are ready. And our drivers are ready. Front wheel drive A1. We're more racing in less than 5.
I'll be right back. I'll get his bag.
Off and running. Body tuck for the 3 car. It's untucked. All right, good job. Arthur Knight out in front. James Jr. second, Dominic third. Watch out, Daniel straightaway. We're clear.
Kind of fast, right?
Oh man, that white car got right into that yellow car. Arthur Knight out in front, Garza in second, Joyner in third, followed by Valentico and Pantana. I think Pantana will be dropping back. We will. Watch it go out this way, we are clear. All right, battles everywhere right now. Arthur out in front, we got Garza and Joyner battling out for the 2 spot off the end of the straightaway. The blue and yellow trying to fight off that gray and green. Oh man, and the blue and yellow pulled himself out.
That cleared itself.
Zigzag. 1 minute and 30 seconds in, 3 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Race number 13 coming up next. Modify. All right.
Yeah, that shit's crazy.
He's first, okay. His car's been on point all. He's got those crackers.
Arthur Knight, James Joyner, and Dominic Garza. Top 3 followed by Valentico and Lunchy. Round out the top 5. Cammy, Carino, Pantana, Rizanian, and Thulan.
Yeah.
Rob with a long lap, 41 flat. About Rob out there, Rob. And Rob's gonna call it quits. All right, Arthur Knight out in front, James Joyner in second, Dominic Garza in third, followed by John Valentico and Alan Lunchy to round out our top 5. Front wheel drive, one of the fastest growing classes out there, at least down south. We're starting to get a lot more of these fronties. White and orange out in front, down off the other straightaway. Joyner second place. Down the back stretch, we got a 3-way battle for third. We John Valentico in third, Dominic in the 4th spot right there. Big Pantana rounding out the top 5. Valentico and Dominic Garza battling out for the 3rd spot. So very wide, 6 tenths of a second.
Yeah, I just love that. So,
Arthur Knight out in front by 5.5.
So now I converted it to
What brand is
into the center of the course.
Yeah. They don't make it anymore.
The top qualifier, 29
And instead of
502.
sitting in the shelf, you know what I mean? I
2
said,
yesterday.
fuck it. I can set up the car. I just can't drive it. I get too nervous and
Arthur Knight. James Joyner and John Valentico. Garza's not giving up here. Garza's still just 8 tenths off of John, so our battle is for 3rd. Back into the center of the course. Usually battle for 3rd. Coming down the back straightaway now. Coming up on a white car.
I feel the same way all the time.
4th will be coming up on that white car next. Thanks, Alan. Battery came out.
Oh, give it a couple knocks.
45 seconds left to go.
Maybe if it's so fast.
Yeah. I'll give me up and
No.
35 seconds. Arthur Knight continuing to lead the way out in front. Coming up on traffic. Coming up on that 4th place car of Dominic.
I'll show you. It's like a little
10 seconds left to go for Arthur Knight. He was our top qualifier. He's led this entire race here. The number 1 car, the orange and white, back into the center of the course. Time has expired, but the white flag is out now. Valentico is done with 3rd. Arthur, you're done with the win. Dominic, you're done with 4th. James, you're done with 2nd. We're waiting on Nick, and that's race. Everybody is done. It's going to be Arthur Knight taking the win, 21.05.04. 202nd, 21.05.07. Valentico 3rd, 20.5.02.
If you really want it,
Cars up 4th, Pantana 5th, bring them in, shut them down. We'll get you guys back out there to Corner Marshals, race number 13.